Even my bumper tabs popped out because it hit it so damn hard. Shit, man. Leave it to a big old tire. B-Boy Biz in the lab. Time to get bonky. This looks real familiar. Let's try this again. So the technician put it up on the alignment rack or alignment lift. He drove it too far forward where he hit these rails, as you see on this photo right here I have. So those two plates smashed up to that right there. So of course it denied it. Manager denied it. Whatever. I told him this was not here when I brought it in. So a couple of days, actually when I got home I called corporate. Long story short, the guy paid up. A couple of days later the manager actually admitted that his tech did drive on to the lift and went too far forward. But I told him that the dude actually messed with it. He said no, the guy just hit it and left it as is. Didn't want to tell anybody. I told him it has plier marks on there. He tried to fix it. Of course he said no, but you can see those grooves right there. That is some kind of tool. I don't know exactly what he used, but there's two of them. There's three of them right there. There's about a shitload of them right here where he, I guess, try to see that they fit perfect. Try to bend it up or straighten it out somehow. Well, that's the reason. For this again. Oh yeah, bought some new supporting rods. It's pretty cool, quick release. Has this keychain style lock on it. And you twist it. Pull this lock out, or not, clip I guess. This is my current setup. I have 4 supporting rods. Attach these over here. Supports the middle somewhat. And then I have these to the front. And then of course the mounting brackets. This one took a shit. Completely broke off. There it is. Yeah, this bracket completely broke off. So I need to figure out what am I gonna do with the middle, because I do not want this gap. This is the stuff that always takes forever. Instead of doing the whole install, it's stupid stuff like this. Some of the debris of the splitter got stuck onto the bolt. And it came with the damn bolt. So now I'm here sitting, taking all this shit apart. Alright, well I got the splitter right before the cross member, which I thought was a good idea because I was having a lot of rattling issues. Once it touches once it passes the subframe, you start getting all the rattling. So I was like, well, let's try it from right here. But look at this shit. This is stupid. Yeah, that's like aggressive time attack, which my car is not even close to that. Yeah, that's crazy. So I'm gonna, damn, I have to do some training again. Whew. Alright, so I got my game plan. So this splitter is an old one, obviously. This is exactly where the cross member is at. It's about 3 inches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut 3 inches away off of this. Yeah, about 3 inches. I'll get rid of all that and work my way out there. And I'm gonna leave this section right here. I have a hole. I'm gonna drill a hole here so it fits around the cross member right about here. I already have a bolt for that, the spacer or a grommet. Of course, I'm gonna test fit everything on this one. Do all the cutting on this one, because obviously we don't want to damage the new one. Just to clear the cross member, because the cross member is the one that's giving me a headache with all the vibration. As soon as we clear that, we should be good. And then just trace these mounting brackets. So here's my template, using my old one, of course. Here's everything I'm gonna have to cut off. I'm gonna try to do a better cut on this one, of course. There's a leftover for the bracket or the bolt. These are already marked up. Perfect. And I did notice the new splitter is just about a half an inch or less than that bigger than my old one. It's alright. Cut this right here. Should be good. So there it is. Now I just gotta clean it up with the Dremel. This tip right here. Make it cleaner. Alright, so here's the guts of it. The finished product. Everything's bolted up. Having this extra one as a guinea pig really helped me out so much. Here we go again. It's the same damn car from last time. Automatic. Anyways, these supporting rods are really gonna help out because it lifts it up just enough. And I left that other extra bracket, well, not a bracket, but extra piece, and it's bolted up. I do have to get a smaller bolt because this thing pops out like an erection. I need to dig around and look for a smaller bolt because this one's pretty long. Other than that, I have these supporting rods as well, which I had on the other splitter. It's holding up right here, but right now it looks like just with the main support brackets and the supporting rods, it's holding up pretty damn well, especially now I got that bolt. I'm gonna hold on to these. I'll probably zip tie them somewhere, drive around. If I do need more support, then I have it right here. Clearance is perfect. That's the way it should have been done. Took a little bit of work, but it's all done. It's all perfect. Now it's time to go drive it. Oh no, I should gotta add this edge liner. I'm gonna go drive it and go see if we have any rattling. Hopefully not, because I'm over it already. I'm really digging these quick release splitter rods. It's so simple. You're done. Whew. Perfect. Wow, much easier. Looks like they improved their edge guard. Just kidding, but yeah, last time I had a bitch of a time putting this thing on. Now it just goes in like nothing. Maybe it's just my dumb ass doesn't know how to do it. Could be. And again, my Allen wrench went took a shit, and I need an Allen head to fix it. Interesting, huh? Much better. Perfect. Alright, the erection bolt is taken care of. Well, officially, it's finally done. Hopefully it was the last video about this damn wind splitter. Everything went out pretty smooth. Legit. It sits there flush. It sits perfect. There's no more center gap either. Finally.
For today's video, we're going to see who's better at identifying things around the house by the sound they make. Can you hear that one more time, please? I don't know. All right, on three. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Spaghetti.
Now it's time to rebuild this exhaust canister. Because the other one already took a shit, which I wasn't too happy with the muffler at first. This was my initial plan to put this canister back on, to install this canister again. So I gotta find a MIG welder or TIG welder, whatever works. Look at that. Fucking shit. We torque our nug nuts to spec. To spec of fucking dumb shit.